Welcome back to Branded Cars, the channel where style meets performance, and history drives into the future. Today, we're diving into a true automotive icon that's making a bold return. Say hello to the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, a name that stirs up nostalgia but now arrives with a modern twist. The Beetle has always stood out in the crowd. It's one of the most recognizable car silhouettes in the world, curvy, compact, and full of personality. The 2025 version keeps that lovable DNA intact while embracing futuristic design elements. Sleek LED lighting, a wider stance, and smoother lines give it a fresh, upscale look. It's unmistakably a Beetle, but it feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, bold, aerodynamic, and charmingly retro-futuristic. From the sloped hood to the modern interpretation of the classic round headlights, it's a tribute to the past and a leap into tomorrow. Volkswagen didn't just update the look. The 2025 Beetle is built on the brand's latest modular electric platform. That's right, this isn't just a facelift, it's an evolution into the electric age. The new Beetle is fully electric, signaling VW's commitment to sustainability while preserving the fun, zippy nature of the original. Expect a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup with about 250 horsepower, delivering peppy performance that's perfect for city streets and weekend cruises alike. In range, you're looking at around 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the configuration. Fast charging support is included, getting you from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes with a high-speed charger. This means it's not only cool to look at but practical for modern life. Smooth, quiet, and responsive, it's a Beetle that feels more alive than ever. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that merges nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. The dashboard design nods to the original Beetle's minimalism but now includes a fully digital instrument cluster and a wide infotainment screen seamlessly integrated into the layout. The circular elements remain, from air vents to ambient lighting, bringing that retro flavor, but everything is now customizable and touchscreen controlled. Soft touch materials, eco-friendly upholstery, and bold color options give it a playful yet premium vibe. The new Beetle also boasts impressive interior space. Thanks to the electric platform and clever packaging, there's more legroom, headroom, and cargo space than before. Whether you're a city dweller needing a daily driver or someone looking for a stylish second car, the Beetle fits the bill with surprising practicality. When it comes to safety, Volkswagen went all out. The 2025 Beetle comes with a full suite of driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking all come standard. There's even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, offering added convenience for long trips. It's a car that's as safe as it is stylish. So, what will it cost to get behind the wheel of this electric icon? Volkswagen is aiming to keep the Beetle accessible, with a starting price expected around $32,000. Higher trims with extended range and more premium features may go up to $40,000, but that's still within reach for a lot of buyers looking for character and performance in one electric package. In summary, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car, it's a movement. It respects its heritage but embraces a cleaner, smarter future. It's perfect for those who want a car with personality, charm, and zero emissions. Whether you love the Beetle of the past or are discovering it for the first time, this new chapter is impossible to ignore. Thanks for riding along with Branded Cars. If you enjoyed this look at the return of a legend, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. More exciting automotive stories are coming your way. And trust us, you won't want to miss them. See you next time.